Okay, so here I start recording this group discussion session, and we are proceeding ahead with the group discussion for your this IUCL GDs. And I will be giving you a topic which I just recorded today on the basis of the interview experience of one of the student. So he told this topic was asked in IUCL, which you must have also listened. So please write the name of the topic, group discussion topic. The name is, Are Indians Quality Conscious? Are Indian quality conscious? That was the topic asked in IUCL interview in GD. So let's work on this only. I give you approximately 1 minute to think over this, then come to each one of you for basically discussion. So let me repeat: Are Indian quality conscious? Are Indian quality conscious? Okay, so those who have joined late, let me tell you the topic. The topic of the GD is, Are Indian quality conscious? Are Indian quality conscious? That is the name of the group discussion. GD2. Please keep yourself mute, all of you. Are Indian quality conscious? Are Indian quality conscious?
Actually, I joined late, so can anybody tell the topic if sir have given?
Okay, so let me give you the topic. Topic is, Are Indians quality conscious? Are Indian quality conscious?
Thank you, sir.
Okay, so till the new members keep on finding, let's start it now. So Shubham, Saurav, I start from you. Please introduce the topic.
Yes. So our topic for good evening, everyone. So our topic for today's group discussion is, Are Indians are the quality cautious? So here I begin the topic. Like for talking about the quality cautiousness, there are many like subdivisions that we can make about the quality, like about the quality of goods, like the quality of services that we provide, like we used to take, like the quality of the environment in which we are living, or ambient in which we are living. So these all goods and services are comprises of two parameter. Like first, the who one provides us the goods, that are suppliers or the manufacturers, and the second one are the stakeholders or the customers who are utilizing these resources or utilizing these services. In order, we will discuss these points in the further discussion. So I will open the house for the discussion to all of you.
Okay, Sunil Kumar.
Yes, sir. Good evening, friends. My name is Sunil Kumar, and I take the opportunity to initiate this group discussion. So the topic given to us is, the Are Indians quality conscious? So I think that this topic can be categorized into some of the points. That first point is that in which point of view the quality of the quality like in which point this topic has to be discussed, like it is it in the field of goods, in the field of services. And second thing is that the there and what I think is that there is a relation between the quality and the status of Indian peoples. So I partially agree with this point that all Indians are quality conscious, because if we can categorize Indians into two parts, that rich people and poor people. So rich people are more focused towards the quality, while the poor peoples are more focused toward the price of particular goods. So I open the house for discussion for everyone. Thank you.
Yeah, Shrikant.
Good morning. My name is Srikant Saran. I am glad to have this opportunity to initiate our discussion. The topic of our discussion is, are Indian quality conscious? So according to me, I think it depends upon the person to person, and depends upon the things what we have to purchasing, or we have to buying. Sometimes we see if youth are, some youth are generally not very cautious, or some youth are very cautious. And if we talk about the, like our some old age people, like they are too much quality conscious. And if we take like some smaller age people, like they are not so cautious, they are just chill and they buy. So I think you people also have good good points about it. So I invite you all to discuss this discussion.
Satyam.
So, good morning, all of you. And my name is Satyam Singh, and I'm glad to get the opportunity to introduce the topic to all of you. The topic for the discussion that is given to us is, are Indians quality conscious? So, in my opinion, we should think of some different factors, like the quality, how quality matters, and why people are quality conscious or why they are not. So it depends actually on the different type of persons, like what are their intentions, and what are their age groups, what are their income groups. And also we can see in the context of different type of profession, for education, for product, or for any profession like any job. So we can think in all the context, and for the perspective of different type of persons. So I open this house to all of you to have a good discussion, and thank you.
Chandrabhan.
Hello, good evening, sir. My name is Chandrabha Singh. I am very glad to take this opportunity to initiate the discussion. Today's topic is, are Indians quality conscious? So this topic is a general topic. It we can't generalize. We can't specifically say that Indians are quality conscious. It depends on the quality of living of the people. If people are in middle class or poor people, they generally don't mention their quality consciousness. And if we quality consciousness also depends on depends on the sector in which we are we are seeing. So it depends on the supplier, and it also depends on the customer side also. So there are many factors. So I would like to open the discussion for the complete group. Thank you.
Yeah, Shashikant.
Good evening, friends. My name is Saskant Arman, and I take the opportunity to initiate the discussion. The topic which is given for the group discussion is very interesting topic, and in my opinion, we all of us have a good points to contribute. The topic which is given for the discussion is, are Indians quality conscious or not? So, in my opinion, friends, what I believe that we are the most diversity of in the people, so that we are most generally the poor peoples in India, so that they are generally not focused on quality, but there are some rich people, they focus on quality than the what is the price of that material. I know, friends, you all have a different perspective than my, so I welcome you, all of you. Please come forward and give your points.
Okay, Vinay.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Vinay Prabhakar, and I would like to start the group discussion on behalf of all of us. The topic given to us today is if Indians are quality conscious or not. I think it is quite an interesting topic. And according to me, I don't feel that Indians are quality conscious. Mainly, it depends on the type of living everyone has. But according to me, there are very few people who have a very high standard who actually focus on the quality of product. If we see most of the Indians, I think we mainly depend on the economy and the pricing of the any product that we are buying than the quality. If we see from a cloth, if we are going to buy a cloth, mainly what we do is we go to a wholesale market to get our clothes rather than a branded mall. On the other hand, if we talk about food items, then in that part, most of the people go for the quality product rather than going for the economy. On this note, I would like to invite all of you to add your fruitful points to this topic. Thank you.
Okay, Manoj.
Good evening, friends, and I'm happy to initiate this group discussion. And the topic given to us is are Indian the quality conscious or not? So, friends, in my opinion, this topic, I divided this topic in several parts. Like, who are the more conscious in the product quality? In my opinion, friends, who are the literature and the youth are the more conscious of the quality. Like, somebody purchase the phone, then they see the specification of the phone, like what is the RAM, what is the ROM, and what is the processor also. Like somebody literature people buy the gold, they are conscious about this gold is a hallmark or not. And the second thing is who are not conscious of about the product quality. In my opinion, friends, who are the in literature or who are the old man or who are the related to village, they only trust on the product and trust on the brand. They are not see the what is the standard of the product, and that people are the only trust on the brand. So the third question is that if we are agree this, so how to provide the quality to these type of people? And so, friend, I am sure you have the many important points of discuss, and I open the house for discussion.
Sachin.
Yes, sir. Good evening, my friends. Thanks for giving me the opportunity to introduce today's GD topic. Our GD topic is that Indians are quality conscious or not. In my opinion, Indian market is a very diverse market where there are many products in India from abroad and from domestic products. In my opinion, Indian products are divided into two parts. First, which are being demanded by the poor people, as some of my friends told us, and some products which are being demanded by the rich people. And in my opinion, the quality of the product is being generally compromised by the poor people, not by the rich people. Rich people generally they are considered to be as literate, and they buy the products by looking the various functions related to the product before buying it. But poor people, they do not buy by looking at these things. So in my opinion, I think that Indian market is more centered towards the price of the product itself. So I'd like to open the house for further discussion.
Okay, Arvind. Arvind, can you hear me? Dheeraj?
Yes, sir.
Arvind, go ahead.
Yes, sir. Good evening, everyone. My name is Arvind Kumar. I am glad to initiate the group discussion. Now the topic is given to us for discussion. Quality as conscious or not. So in my opinion, it is a very interesting topic. What type of quality people want? So we need to talk. There is if we talk about goods, so there is some people who want to quality in goods, and some people are seeing their prices. So and if we talk about services, so there is a quality which present in a services, and there is some areas which always we want to quality as a educational areas and health areas and relationship. In a it is a very good thing for quality, and education is always a good thing for the quality and health related problems. Okay, now I invite all of you to participate in group discussion.
Okay, now Dheeraj.
good evening, all of you. Good evening, friends. So I would like to initiate today's group discussion task. Group discussion, and our group discussion topic is are quality conscious. So, in my opinion, that can be divided like in various ways, like quality, like which quality, like it's quality of food, quality of cloth, quality of living, or further it can be divided like a group of the people, like whom we are seeing for. Are they rich? Are they middle class fellows, or they are poor? So, in my opinion, poor caste people will go for cheap products because they don't have money. But middle class people or higher middle class people will focus on cheap and best. Like they always look for where is the cheap and best I can buy, because they are conscious with the quality, but they don't have budget, so they want cheap and best. And the rich people always focus on the best. So now I open the house for discussion.
Okay, so I think everybody is introduced. First part is done. Now, see, we are entering into the second part, which is the discussion part among all of you, and that will be for 10 minutes duration. And I expect a smoothness here, so you are to not to actual may there is no cutting across the lines. In actual IOCL interviews, it is going very smooth, as you know. So they are talking, they are discussing, they are giving their points, they are listening to other points, and if you're cutting each one, they are not appreciating it also. So the GD should go very smoothly. You have to listen to others. काफी टाइम होगा दूसरों के पॉइंट सुनने के लिए, आपको किसी को कट नहीं करना है. कट करोगे तो as per the instruction given in IOCL, so they will not give you marks, something like that. So you are not to cut anybody unnecessarily. दूसरे का पॉइंट सुनना है और अपना पॉइंट रखना है. And after this discussion, I will give chance to each one of you for conclusion, so that we come to some kind of conclusion, right? So I open the house for discussion among all of you.
Okay, good.
So, friend, in my opinion, what is the quality? Quality is to
conscious.
fulfill the requirement of the customer. Who is the fulfill the quality of requirement of the customer? This is the quality. If I purchase the 5,000 phone or 20,000, if the 5,000 phone is fulfill my requirement, that phone is quality for me rather than 2,000.
No, this
It is not
the
related
quality.
to the
I'm
poor.
just-
It is
I'm
not
just-
related to
I'm
the
not
poor.
70% it depends.
Satisfied with
Someone's
not
5,000 may be
satisfied
higher.
with
Depends
the
upon the
status of
product. If we see
Indian,
the Apple,
because
it is already seen as a quality product. So quality
Yes.
doesn't need that you just need to fulfill your requirement. Quality means
Requirement.
there is a
Yes,
certain standards that are filled. I think this
And
Yes,
why
my friend,
If
I
my
agree
friend,
with you,
if our
and I want to
requirement
add some point.
stakeholders or
Quality
the
means that
customers who are
we can
using that
focus.
product,
We see
are
that
yeah,
car
we
market.
should also
In
talk
car
about
market,
the
what happens?
suppliers.
we have to
I
see
think.
Most of the
who-
people
Or the
who
manufacturers
is
who
India
are
buy
using that
Alto
product.
800. Alto 800 does not consider in quality. That does not consider airbags. That type of quality we can consider.
Yeah,
Because this is the
firstly, we
most
need to
of the car
understand
that
you are
bike
giving
every
an
India.
example.
Like
if
you
your
are
requirement
satisfied
is
with Alto
fulfilled by the
800,
according to the
why
then
you
time,
say
why
it
you
is
buy
a quality
from
to
food?
it's
Yeah,
not.
according to
If
me,
you-
every person has a different perspective of which
So-
field we are talking about. If someone is
Yes.
talking
So,
about
so
the
my
Yeah,
question is
actually,
that
industry,
if
that's
your
what I,
requirement is
my
fulfilled by the
point was.
Maruti
actually we should
800,
go through
why
two.
you buy the BMW? This is my
No.
question.
no,
friends,
no,
I
we
take
So
the-
can
for the
can
quality
see
is what
the
is the
Maruti
in a
800.
general
the quality
I
means
think
which
Maruti 800
fulfilled your
already
requirement, my
has
friend.
six airbags.
it is not. I think it
No,
is
the
not
quality
about
is that-
electronic
Can we
product
hear
or
one by
the-
one?
Yeah,
Because
he's
we are
right. We
unable
have
to-
I
to see
think
in which
I
sector
think
we are talking about. Are
quality
we
is an
talking
index
about the
only
service sector or
that
the environment
satisfy the
sector?
needs of
If
the
we-
customers,
Yes,
that satisfy
yes,
the
I
needs
agree
of the
with Subham.
customers.
Yes, I
And
say.
Yes.
second point that you are missing is that they are beneficial for the customers. If it is not
Yes, yes.
safe for the customers,
No,
then
no,
I
you are
think if you are
you are
satisfying
no,
you are
the
saying
needs
Just
of
you are talking
no,
right.
Safety also
I'm
is a
not
quality.
agreeing.
satisfying the
I'm
customers,
partially
This is the
agree
correct
with you,
definition.
Shubham.
requirement of
This
the
This is the
customer.
correct
definition
definition
is
of the
there,
quality, my
partially
friend.
agree.
Food
written
industry.
in the book
Sometimes,
actually.
sometimes
Are you
Indians
okay with
also
eating the burgers or
compromise with the
pizzas because you like
quality.
it?
Actually, friends, we
Should
are
not
going
compromise
away from
not
the
the
with our
quality
like
product.
like
with
we
our
are
with
talking
our
about
health or
not the
something.
quality definition we have to
friend,
talk here. We
as
have
my
to talk Indians are quality conscious or not. Most
We
of
have to
Indians
talk
are
Yes,
about
yes,
the
focused on
person like
quality
we have
definition.
not
That is
talked
We
not
about
have
quality.
because this
they
depends
because
on the
they compromise
depends on
because
the
they don't
life
have
standard.
one
yes.
quality product.
Okay, guys.
One of my
do
friend given example about
you think that
in India,
is also
everyone
matter?
wants
Why we
quality,
are just talking
but
about the
they
customers?
compromise.
Why are
Guys,
we
Yes,
talking
in my
about
opinion,
the
in
customer?
my
Let's
opinion,
not
friends,
talking
we
about
have
the
the youth
customer.
and we have the
Let's
literacy
talk
people are the
about
quality
the
consultants
quality.
because we
quality
always
cannot
see the
afford the high
specification of the
quality
product
products.
always. So we are the quality consultant. Our youth are the
So
quality
guys,
consultant. If you see the purchase the phone, then you see the specification of phone, what is the RAM, ROM, then we are the quality consultant. Definitely.
Yes,
okay.
my friend, you are right.
In the
That
village,
someone is
that
a
the
price
I think
also.
literate
if someone is
There are
a
many people in India who
phone
they are not know the
Samsung
they are
is
not
compromising.
know quality.
Focus on
They
the
quality
only know
mainly
the
depends on the
even some of the
background of
parents are
product.
unable
If
to
you
read
are
the
capable of
specifications of product.
buying or
All
not or
people
not.
are do not
So
see the specifications before
let's
buying
put
the
an
product.
example, okay? Like
Yeah, many people
for
don't see the
depend upon the
specification
areas in
before
which we are
buying the
insulting.
They
product.
Like
usually
our
see the
parents,
physical
Mainly it
appearance
depends.
before buying the
No,
product.
you are
let's say
aware
If
to the
the
product
price is
best
exactly or
their
not.
education.
range, they just buy the
So
phone.
they
It
How
doesn't
many
it's
of
matter
you
also
know
depend
The
upon the
product
about
itself
areas
is
FSI,
which
to
are
buy the
we have
products.
interest.
We cannot
Okay.
about
say that
FSI which mark like this is the vegetarian or this is
I think the
non-vegetarian?
No,
conscious
How
Okay,
many
knowing
of
so
about
you?
the
the
quality
friends,
parents
also
All of
of
you, all of
matters.
us, we know,
If
right?
people, if a
So
friends,
person
I would
is
like
well
to.
educated,
I
he
would
will
like to
tend to
add.
point I
go
want
for
to
a
make.
quality product.
See,
Hence,
Friends,
he is a
it's not
quality
I think
conscious
mainly
person.
what we should
So the
consider is
education
that
is a major
if
part in
someone
the
is
quality
from a well-to-do
consciousness
family,
we are
he
talking
what
about.
definitely
point I want
yes,
to
will
make
go
ma'am.
is
for a
Yes,
better
my
like
friend,
quality
you are
phone.
right. The
What
education
I
is
If
the
think
someone
first
is
is not
priority.
this,
capable of
that
buying
we
a
can
second-hand phone,
also
he
think
will
in the
have to buy
direction
10
of
phone.
the, we can also think this topic in the direction of food. Like in India, most of the poor people are dependent on the ration food, and the quality of food provided at the ration stops. We are all are aware about of it.
Yes,
Okay,
there is
And
also
so
even we
just
can
mixing
add
of
some more point that
Yeah,
most
but
of the
mixing
people
but
are
everything
but
uneducated.
I
they are
think that we are
compromising
deviating
the
our
quality.
deviating ourselves
but
Definitely,
from our
in the
topic.
definitely.
Yes.
quality
Definitely,
quality
quality
consultant,
concerns.
so if
quality of
there
the
is
food,
any
the food product. It's
manipulation
not the
is there,
quality.
then
See,
we can't do
they
anything
have
again,
the
about that.
different
again we are
specifications.
going
Money for
wrong
the purchase the
direction.
quality product. This I am
we
agree
have
to
to
you.
see the standard of living of people.
So yeah,
It is
that's what
very
I'm
But
telling.
important.
guys, we
See,
should also
there
think
is
about
a
different
third
type of
party who
persons.
decide the
Quality
Guys,
quality.
you
always
should
Not
also
the
think about
people who
the
depends on
decide
the
the
different type of
living
quality.
of the
age groups
standard.
Like
and
there are
different
the
type of
authorities who
different
gives
type of
the
saving
things.
propensity.
Yes,
Okay,
Mainly
this
it
is the
depends on the type
criteria
of
which this
person.
Yeah,
product
Person
is
to
it
person,
having.
it
also
varies
This
actually.
depends
is
on
the
the age
past.
also.
So
Age
any
group also.
product when it is manufactured, they're given to be to somebody's like some third party. Like if you know the electrical transformer, any equipment whenever it is built, it is given to the third party to qualify the test quality of test.
Yes,
So quality
quality
Yes,
control
doesn't
test.
Yes, yes.
Yes.
not defined by the
Yes,
customers.
Dheeraj,
Not
I
defined
agree
by
with you.
customers.
Yeah,
It's
if we
not
focus,
customer.
But we
Not
Indians see
defined
the
by the
product is
customer,
not
it is
for a
good.
given
quality
by the
because they
customer.
have
Other
to sell,
Purchase
they
the
have to
good
has
product
same
make
also.
profit.
criteria.
but
For
we
us,
have
We
to
it
also
is
see the
I think we can
specifications.
also think this from the point of view of the manufacturer. Like we take the
Yes.
example of the
Yeah,
honey.
manufacturer will
Like we take the
always
example of honey.
try to
There
go
are
for a
so many
quality
brands in the
product.
India who assure
No,
that their honey is 100% pure, but in the
no,
And
survey,
no,
even
no.
that honey is not.
lots of company has won the Deming prize. That was that quality control prize from the Japan. That's Mahindra and Mahindra and all. Like it's all, and Rajiv Gandhi National Quality Award is also there
But
for
we
Yes,
are
this
my
talking
friend,
company.
you
about
are
the
right. But
Indians
they,
who
We
are,
they but they
I
decrease
think
the
quality of
when
the
the
bad
when
is
a
price
not
is
only
person
the
when
food.
they
when
also
a
decrease the
person
Which
buys
quality.
everyone thought
something,
that
he
their product
doesn't
was
he
If they
doesn't think
decrease the
about
passed
price, they
GMO
also
quality
decrease
or
the
this
qualification,
and
quality.
right?
that.
But
He
later on
he
it was
just
found out
see
that there was
that the
lead
product
content
is
in this.
quality product or not.
Quality,
It
Yes,
depends
friends.
on
So,
his
quality
so, so let's discuss
basically,
salary
about
or
this
his
also.
income.
How to
क्वालिटी
aware the people
बेसिकली
of the
टाइप ऑफ
quality of the
पीपल पर
product
डिपेंड करती
also.
है।
So
क्वालिटी
we
कोई
can also
कंपनी,
need to
कोई
discuss
भी
about this.
मैन्युफैक्चरर
How we
किसी भी क्वालिटी को तब क्वालिटी कहेगा जब कोई, जैसे उसका जो खरीदने वाला है बायर है, जब वो बोल देगा, जब उसको सर्वे देखा कि 50%, 60%, 80% लोग सेटिस्फाई हो रहे हैं, तब उसको बोलेगा हाँ ये
yes, yes.
क्वालिटी प्रोडक्ट है। ये किसी
हाँ, तो
कंपनी
जो
तब
कस्टमर
डिसाइड
वो
करती है
इस
जो
पे भी डिपेंड करता है ना कि कस्टमर
लेकिन कंपनी तो
बाइंग
हमेशा
customer
प्रॉफिट
decide
के
करता
साथ
है।
ही
I agree with
प्रॉफिट के
you.
हिसाब से
Purely
काम
based,
करेगी।
purely
पर
based
Our
on the
discussion
quality.
is
It's
not
not
about
about
प्रॉफिट के
quality.
हिसाब से
कितना
काम
इंडेक्स
करेगी ना।
होता है उस पे प्योरली बेस्ड होता है कि अपने कस्टमर्स को वो
सेटिस्फाई है जो
हाँ, तो quality उसी पे depend करता है,
फॉलो
लेकिन-
करता है ना, तो that
ये
was
देखिए
the
मेरे हिसाब से हम लोग यहाँ पे
मेजर
डिवाइन नहीं करने
quality
क्वालिटी
में सब
लेकिन-
है कि नहीं है, हमें क्वालिटी प्रोडक्ट हमारे पास है, हमें बस ये पता करना है कि
अब हमारे
What I
पास
what I
अगर
think
हम
is I
quality के लिए
partially
जाएंगे कि
agree
नहीं
with your
जाएंगे?
point because I
Mhm.
partially agree with your point that in India today everyone is compromising with their needs. Like one of my friends
नहीं, सब लोग नहीं
gave
करता
the
है
example of
Mhm.
like I would like to give an
Yes,
example.
all
Like
the
every
people
youth want
compromise
the
with
Apple
quality.
phone, but they don't buy. They know the quality of Apple product, but why they are not able to buy
Because
this?
ये type of
because
person पे
they
depend
mention
करता
reviews.
है, ये-
Hence, I want to add one point.
No, that's
That is
doesn't mean
the
that
question.
even the Apple
different
provides
type of
you
people
phone.
have different type of
That
taste
doesn't
and
mean
taste.
that Apple provide you even MI phone of 15,000 also provides
quality of 12
same kind of
megapixel of
product.
Apple phone. So
I
it
don't think
it depends
friends,
on
the
the
quality
service that
means
service.
that it
But
is a
friends,
high
our
brand.
requirement fulfilled by the
Purchasing
Samsung or the Xiaomi
power
phones
of
are
the
costing
customer.
इंडिया भी बहुत बड़ा
thousand
मार्केट है
also.
अभी ये बोल
What
रहा है
is
कि इंडिया में
Our
ऐसे
group
पच्चीस नहीं बिकते
discussion
अगर हम
हैं,
is
एक
गलत
going
सिंपल
on
एग्जांपल लें,
quality.
What
अगर
I
आपने
think is
फोन है,
पूरे
एप्पल्स
डेली
के
यूज के
फोन
लिए
बिकते हैं।
हफ्ते भर का आपको अगर
Our
राशन
main
लेना है,
discussion should be
तो
जैसा
मेनली वो
कि आप
अटेंडेंस
देख
की
रहे
हम
थे
एक
कोरोना
संडे
काल में कि
conscious
लोगों की बात ये समझना
हैंड वॉश यूज किया
should
जाए,
be the
इंडियंस
people should
पीपल आर
be
फिर
क्वालिटी
भी
कॉन्शियस
जनरली
आर
most of
नॉट
the people
इकोनॉमी
don't use
हमें
hand wash.
क्वालिटी
that to
और
be
They directly
analyzed,
use soap
no.
not
and
to quality.
without this अभी भी हैंड वॉश को यूज करता
So
नहीं है,
if we
अभी भी
see the
जनरली
question
सोप
as
यूज
a
करता है.
final question, all Indians are not quality conscious.
पर्सन
This
have
question
different
that
types of
some
saving
some of
propensity.
them are. All
Let us
somebody
give
हैंड वॉश
only
का
few
यार
of them are
हाइजीन वाले पार्ट को
quality
क्या क्वालिटी
conscious.
है
So
You
we
can see
should
that
divide the category.
you should
are
also see that
quality conscious
younger
basis
people having
based on
different
their
types of saving
based on
propensity.
their
Our
friends.
okay.
Friends, I would
Okay,
like
friends,
to
we also
friends,
need to discuss about this.
Quality
How
एक
we
बात
can
एक
aware
बात
the
So we
people
have
to
to
of the
have
quality of
answer
the product.
yes
How
or
we
no.
can
Yes,
aware
yes.
about this? It is also need
If
to
it is
discuss about
yes,
that.
then
Yes,
what
yes,
is
yes, yes,
There
yes.
are
If it
many
is
people
no,
who
Even
only
it's does not like
focus on the
it's
brand,
of
not on the
interest
quality. Like
where
it's
you are
very interesting
interested.
people, and also but they want to trend on the brand, not on the
फ्रेंड्स
quality.
अगर हम क्वालिटी की बात करते हैं इंडिया में मतलब एवरी पर्सन वांट्स द क्वालिटी
हाँ मेरा रुचि है
Yeah, I
अगर
think
like इधर मेरा इंटरेस्ट है like our
जैसे हम किसी
parents
भी
does
मतलब
not
क्वालिटी की बात
invest
करें
does not do
जैसे कोई
like
सबसे पहले कोई
compromising
किसी
in
का खरीदता है
education.
तो उसकी क्वालिटी के बारे में
मिडिल
क्या
क्लास
करता है
फैमिली के
वो?
पेरेंट्स
No,
कभी
no, I
एजुकेशन
partially
का
agree.
क्वालिटी
No.
ये दिखाते हैं.
Yeah, he
क्वालिटी
is right. Education is
Indian
the quality
Indian
factor
people
in it.
quality.
Don't compromise with the quality. So
Yes, yes. हर एक
education
बंदा
is
हर एक
is
व्यक्ति
Yes, friends.
good set.
My
Basically,
dear
जो
friends,
केस में
आप
नहीं बोल सकते
everywhere
हम
आप
लोग कि
talking
क्वालिटी
about like
बात कर
इंडियन
रहे हैं,
मार्केट
बात कर रहे हैं,
टुवर्ड्स द
क्वालिटी
चीप
ज्यादा है.
प्रोडक्ट
करते हैं
एज
तो
वेल
उसमें
एज
हम
क्या होता है
क्वालिटी
रिजल्ट
कुछ सेक्टर ऐसे हैं जहाँ पे हम क्वालिटी
है
से
वो होता
कॉम्प्रोमाइज नहीं
नहीं
करते.
है.
इंडियन मार्केट
है
को
कि
चीप
नहीं है
क्वालिटी
कि
कॉम्प्रोमाइज कर
प्रोडक्ट
लेते
चाहिए
हैं.
होती है
मोस्ट ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट्स अगर हम देखें तो वहाँ पे इकोनॉमी मैटर करती है हमारे लिए कि
Yes,
अगर
yes.
आप
Quality
एकदम
कपड़े ले
सही
रहे हैं
बोला
तो आप
बट आई
2000
गेस
What is
most
specifically
of
need
the
on
Indians
this?
centered towards the quality of the product as well as the quality of the
at all the
product.
sectors here.
ये
उसके
सब
बाद हमें
पॉइंट
डिसाइड करना चाहिए.
एक ही पॉइंट पे कंक्लूड करते हैं कि एक पर्सन की बाइंग कैपेसिटी ही डिसाइड करती है कि वो
क्वालिटी
मेन
कितनी ठीक
फैक्टर
बिल्कुल सही है.
और
फैक्टर
उसका
तो बाइक
education
Yes,
background
my friend,
buying
जैसे कि
capacity
एक
decides
बड़ा ही
the
अच्छी कोट है कि जितनी चादर हो उतनी ही पैर पसारनी चाहिए.
एक ब्रांड के
बिल्कुल,
हिसाब से भी डिपेंड
Yes,
करता है. अगर
definitely.
कोई
One
सामान
more
ब्रांडेड है
last
तो उसकी
requirement
क्वालिटी पे
complete
सवाल
होती
नहीं
है
किया जाता.
तो
कई
definitely.
बार क्वालिटी
But
हम लोग इसका
ब्रांडिंग
फोर्ड
से
कंपनी का
अगर
एग्जांपल ले सकते
कोई
हैं जो
सामान
ह्यूमंस
देखना पड़ेगा.
ब्रांडेड है तो उसकी
इंडिया छोड़
क्वालिटी
कर
पे हम लोग
उसके
सवाल नहीं
मोस्ट ऑफ
करते
द
हैं.
केसेस में तो यही मैटर करता है कि हमारी
मार्केट को छोड़ दिया.
कैपेसिटी कितनी है.
फोर्ड कंपनी का एग्जांपल लेने की जरूरत ही नहीं है ना, क्योंकि अपन तो इंडियंस के बारे में बोल रहे हैं कि इंडियंस
Yes,
क्वालिटी
yes.
कॉन्शियस है कि नहीं है. एक
हाँ, तो
फोर्ड
Indian
कंपनी के
भी
बारे में
those companies Indians are not
Companies
accepting
is
those
also
companies
part
are
of
having
Indian
quality
economy.
products but they are not
depend
accepting
करती
those
है.
products.
India
some
का
of the
part
Indians
है.
are also the price
Not
conscious.
only
consciousness.
discuss about
कि
the
जैसे
Some of
customers.
किसी
not some
We
of
have
them,
to
almost
discuss
majority of them are quality conscious as well as
part of
मतलब
world.
एक बात को
अगर मैन्युफैक्चरर तुमको राइट क्वालिटी का प्रोडक्ट्स नहीं प्रोवाइड करेगा तो हाउ विल यू आर आल्सो इंडियन.
क्वालिटी लिटरेसी पे भी डिपेंड करता है. इंडियन पीपल लिटरेट है कि नहीं उस पर डिपेंड करता है.
उस पर
इंडियन
depend
पीपल
करता
रिच
है.
है कि गरीब है उस
Yes,
पर
I agree
डिपेंड
with
करता है.
Shrikant because illiterate
करता है
people होते हैं
कि
वो trust करते हैं. ब्रांड देख तो ट्रस्ट करते हैं और कुछ इस तरह
coming back
देखते
to
नहीं.
our
श्रीकांत, I am agree with you.
ऐसे लोग क्या होता है कभी कभी पॉलिटिशियन हम जो वोट
इससे आई
देते
थिंक अगर हम
हैं
कम प्राइस में भी
इलिटरेट
अच्छा
आदमी
प्रोडक्ट
को
लेना
चुनाव में खड़ा कर
चाहिए.
देते हैं वो जीत भी जाता है
हैं. आपको ये पता है इंडिया में
और वो काम भी नहीं करता है.
इनकम ग्रुप के लोग रहते हैं.
वहां पर भी
इंडिया में
क्वालिटी इशू आ जाता है.
इंडिया में
वहाँ
बहुत
पर
तरह के
हम
लोग हैं.
नेता
यहाँ पे
चुनते हैं, वहाँ पर भी कभी
गरीब
कभी
भी हैं, यहाँ पे
गरीब
अमीर
भी
भी हैं.
हैं.
डिफरेंट इनकम ग्रुप के लोग हैं और डिफरेंट
yes.
इनकम ग्रुप के लिए सेविंग
हाँ,
प्रोपेंसिटी
different
अलग अलग
income
होती
group के
है.
लोग इसलिए
What
बोलते
I
हैं
think
कि
is
like
that
उसपे
I think हमारे पास बहुत
सेविंग
कम प्राइस
प्रोपेंसिटी
में हम अपने
कितनी
इकोनॉमी
है
के लिए
कि
बेहतर
अराउंड
मानना
1 पर्सन
चाहिए.
की सेविंग
So
प्रोपेंसिटी
basically
कितनी
what
होती
we
है.
can say that
एक पर्सन
it
पता है
depends
एक
on the
पर्सन अगर
type.
100 रुपए कमाता है, एक
We
पर्सन
can
100
think
रुपए
also
कमाता है,
that
एक
every
पर्सन
Indian
1000
is
रुपए कमाता है,
quality.
लेकिन हर एक की सेविंग प्रोपेंसिटी अलग अलग होती है।
हाँ, ये
कोई ज्यादा खर्च करना चाहता है, कोई
Yes, sir,
कम खर्च
yes, sir.
करना चाहता है।
उसकी
पे भी
consciousness
depend
किस पर
करता है।
depend करती
I
है?
am
यहाँ
actually
इस
I
पे
would like to
depend
add
करता
one
है।
more
this
point.
is matter a lot
I think
also.
every Indian,
बहुत मैटर करता है
Honestly,
quality।
Indian, I think
that is
every
the honest
person
want
is
to
quality
save the money
consciousness.
also. So it is
But
the, also the by the low quality product. It is true because
Yes,
they are
yes.
not have the so much money for the purchase the high
Yes, yes.
quality.
Yes.
But
So,
कई बार-
yes,
जिसके पास
somebody
money है,
because
वो
because
भी इसका
because
मतलब
they
ये
are
नहीं
the
है quality
distributor
product
also.
खरीदता
There
है.
are
So
other
it is
issues,
one of the
there are other
one of
issues,
the
like
जो पैसा होता है
अगर वो
उससे
पैसा नहीं है तब नहीं खरीद
आईफोन
पाते हैं।
खरीदता है, इसका मतलब ये नहीं क्वालिटी प्रोडक्ट खरीद रहा है, ज्यादा पैसा
No.
ऐसे खरीद लेता है.
Actually,
यस यस कई बार ऐसा भी होता है कि
हाँ,
व्यक्ति के
गलत-
पास ज्यादा
गलत
अमीर है,
person
क्वालिटी
ज्यादा
किसी
है,
के लिए
ऐसा
यस
नहीं है.
ऐसा भी नहीं होता ना, उस सेक्टर में
नहीं पता है।
उसको कहाँ इंटरेस्ट वो कॉम्प्रोमाइज कर लेता
वो
है।
आईफोन
लाइक हमारे
यूज
पेरेंट्स को ले लो, पेरेंट्स को भी देयर इंटरेस्ट है।
compromise
कर लेता है, उनको होता है कि बच्चा उनका पढ़ाई करे, सो दे इन्वेस्ट इन लाइक इन एजुकेशन।
अब जैसा कि जिसके पास ज्यादा पैसा है, मर्सिडीज कार है, फिर भी BMW लेगा, BMW है तो फिर ऑडी लेगा, ऑडी है
Yes,
तो फिर
yes,
लेगा।
जो लोग quality
ये तो उसकी purchasing power
yes,
है,
yes,
second
yes,
होगा।
basically,
quality
but
concept.
उसकी requirement
their
भी
needs.
नहीं नहीं
It is not the issue of quality consciousness.
Basically psychological aspects
no,
के हैं,
basically ये देखो
psychological
इसमें
aspects you can say.
इसमें एक मैं इसमें एक बात बोल सकता हूँ, जैसे जिसके पास बहुत पैसा है तो क्वालिटी के लिए उसको इसलिए चिंता नहीं कि ब्रांडेड खरीद, तो ऑलरेडी जानता है कि क्वालिटी प्रोडक्ट है।
Yes, yes.
जिसके पास बहुत पैसा है तो उसको क्वालिटी की चिंता नहीं होती, क्योंकि पता है अगर वो मर्सिडीज खरीद रहा है उसके ऊपर की चीज खरीद रहा है तो क्वालिटी होगा, तो उसके लिए क्वालिटी
लेकिन
इशू है, तभी वो महंगा खरीद रहा है।
I not agree with you.
Requirement of
They purchase that product is only because of the quality.
whether the person is quality conscious or not.
Gandhi, what do you
Quality
say?
person, in
They
my
are
opinion, most of
quality
the
brand
people
or
are
fine
conscious. They are
quality
purchasing such type of
जो रिच
और
पर्सन
जो-
होगा, जो रिच पर्सन
Actually-
होगा क्वालिटी के लिए वो कॉन्शियस होगा ही,
Definitely
क्योंकि वो
होगा,
तभी खरीदेगा। वो कोई
Definitely होगा, लेकिन
12,000 का
लेकिन-
MI फोन नहीं खरीदता,
नहीं है
वो क्वालिटी
quality।
अच्छा
product
है, वो
should be the
conscious है।
लोगों में जनरल ऐसी धारणा है कि
एक
MI phone
फैक्टर
is
मैं
not
और कहना
quality,
चाहूंगा, आपको
not
ये
having
पता होना
quality.
चाहिए।
BMW को क्वालिटी मानना गलत होगा।
Friend, I would like to
Yes,
ask
yes,
one
Vinny.
question. I would like to ask one question.
Yes,
Like one of my friend give the example of MI phone. Still, everyone is compromising with Chinese phone, even they know the compromising with the data security. So
Yeah,
here,
your point is right because
Definitely.
लेकिन इस
everyone
क्योंकि
has
ये इस
the
पे डिपेंड
different
करता है कि
purchasing
व्यक्ति
power.
किस
If
एज
a
से वो
person
किस
has not that high purchasing power, he will definitely go for MI phone or
यस
Vivo
यस
or
Why-
दो तरीके, ये तो
MI
दो
phone
चीजों
has
पर
a
डिपेंड
high
करता
they
है।
are compromising with the data
तो
security.
मैं वही स्टूडेंट बैठा हूँ,
Why MI phone does not have a quality? Like, so what?
यहाँ पे
Why
लोग
are you
रिस्क
saying?
रहते हैं, आपको ये
I
भी
don't
देखना है ना। आप ये देखो, इंडिया में पीपल गरीब टाइप के हैं। यहाँ पे लो इनकम ग्रुप के लोग ज्यादा हैं, तो लो इनकम ग्रुप के लोग कंप्रोमाइजिंग सिचुएशन पे ही
Income
रहते हैं।
decide the
So
whether
basically
the
आपका
literacy पे
salary
डिपेंड
का
करता
people
है,
is
व्यक्ति
quality
पढ़ा
conscious
हुआ
or
है कि
not.
नहीं। अगर व्यक्ति पढ़ा हुआ तो उसे समझ में आएगा कि ये यहाँ पे हमारा डाटा लीक करने की लीक हो सकता है,
Yes,
तो
yes.
ये
Friends,
कई बार
friends, तो फिर
लिटरेसी
ना
पे डिपेंड
economic
करता है,
sector-
कहाँ पे कहाँ से वो बिलोंग करता है ये भी डिपेंड करता
person
है।
की economic
Friends, जो economic sector है ना, वो
दूसरा एक फैक्टर ये भी है, आप
दोस्तों हमें एक देश बना लेना चाहिए
सस्टेनेबिलिटी एंड ड्यूरेबिलिटी भी देख सकते हैं। आपको ये पता है ना, जैसे
क्वालिटी कॉन्शियस में होके वो दूसरा प्रोडक्ट खरीद रहा है, बट सपोज उसके पास इनफ मनी है तो वो तो ना उसकी रिक्वायरमेंट के, मान लो मिडिल क्लास आदमी वो अपने रिक्वायरमेंट के अकॉर्डिंग उसने अपना प्रोडक्ट खरीदा, तो उसके लिए क्वालिटी कॉन्शियस है। और जो हायर मिडिल है उसके लिए तो, बट जो लोअर मिडिल है वो उसकी रिक्वायरमेंट ज्यादा है बट वो अपने पैसे की कमी कारण नहीं खरीद पा रहा है, तो उसके लिए क्या सकते हैं कि वो ना
इसीलिए
quality
अपने को
नहीं
फैक्टर
खरीद पा रहा है।
ढूंढना चाहिए कि क्या क्या फैक्टर
हम कह सकते हैं आपके लिए आपको देना है, आपको एक टेलीविजन खरीदना है,
Okay, so
आपको
let
एक
us
फोन
let us
खरीदना है।
conclude now.
आप
Let us
देखो, अगर
conclude.
आपको
बहुत सारे
whole
factors
cycle
are
comes
different.
to a single
आपको
point.
कोई
Let's conclude now.
on the factors
So
on which
again, I start from Shubham Saurav. Shubham, within 1 minute, please conclude.
Yes. So, we all discussed about that are Indians are quality cautious or not. So, being we divided the all quality cautiousness in two aspects. First, from the suppliers or manufacturers point of view, and second, from the stakeholders and customers point of view. First, let's talk about the stakeholders or customers point of view. So we have decided that in every aspect, it depends upon the cautiousness, the psychological aspects, whether the person has quality cautiousness or not. It's not like that every rich person is quality cautious. And it's also not like that कि अगर कोई गरीब है तो वो quality conscious नहीं होगा. It also depends upon the economical aspects. Like mostly जो अमीर आदमी होते हैं या psychology हमारे अंदर बैठा हुआ है कि अमीर आदमी होते हैं वो अच्छे quality goods use करते हैं. Like even we see the example of Virat Kohli, वो 40,000 का एक पानी ही पीता है. So that having a quality in the water to keep himself healthy. So it also depends upon the product aspects, what we are using, which type of products we are using, and what are the needs. Like आप example ले लो इंडियन गार्जियन का, तो वो अपने बच्चों पे एजुकेशन में चाहे वो कितने भी गरीब हो, लेकिन वो कोशिश करते हैं कि वो सबसे अच्छा मतलब उसमें अच्छा क्वालिटी एजुकेशन प्रोवाइड. बट अगर आप उसी में अगर कुछ मतलब बच्चों को कुछ खेलने वगैरह का चीज हो तो उस पे वो पैसा नहीं मतलब खर्च करना चाहते, उस पे क्वालिटी नहीं एश्योर करना चाहते हैं. So that was also कि product aspects कौन से आपका. It's also depend upon the literacy rate. Like what are the literacy? Like literate person अगर हो तो वो definitely quality को as per लेगा. Mostly in the for the health and issues. वो अपना health के respect में जरूर लेगा. Sir, ऐसे for that customers point of view, I'm saying that. But for the manufacturers or suppliers point of view, we also have to see the situations. for manufacturing suppliers point of view, we can see that different aspects is there. Like every companies have have to follow certain norms of a guidelines of government. Like everyone have to like follow different norms which are provided by the government to sell their products in the market. Even lots of government has also introduced lots of prizes in naming prizes by the Japan and Rajiv Gandhi National Quality Award, Six Sigma Award.
Whom
The
you have
Six
to
Sigma
conclude now?
quality is also ensure the assures like supplying.
Sunil, go ahead.
So
Sir.
we have concluded this.
Yeah. Sunil,
Yes,
go ahead.
sir. We had a very good discussion, and some of my friends put a very good point, and everyone discussed about the quality and the price of the product. Like that, they discussed about that every Indians are not quality conscious. That some of are price consciousness, and some of my friends also put their points on point of like electronic gadgets. One of the example is the mobile. So we have discussed on the mobile point of view that every Indian is not buying the Apple phones, but they are compromising with the quality phones of that are the Chinese phones. But yes, they are compromising with the data security. And some of put their points on the quality of the education in India, like poor people are compromising with the quality of education, whereas the rich people are still they are able to educate their children in the good private schools. And some of the are also discuss about the quality from the point of view of the manufacturer, like whether the manufacturer is quality conscious or about the price consciousness. So these are the some points that everyone discussed. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Now come to Shrikant.
थैंक यू सर। हमने यहाँ पे काफी अच्छी बातें कुछ दोस्तों ने डिस्कशन कुछ लोगों ने पॉइंट आउट किया सर। यहाँ पे बेसिकली हमने हमारे ग्रुप के बिहाफ से मैं बोल सकता हूँ कि सर यहाँ पे क्वालिटी को हमने सबसे पहले डिवाइड किया है कि कैसा हम सामान परचेज कर रहे हैं। उस पे सब सामान की बेस पे भी हम देख सकते हैं कि महंगा सामान है कि सस्ता सामान है, उसमें भी हम ये देखेंगे उसकी ड्यूरेबिलिटी कितनी है। फिर इन सामानों के आधार पे हम ये भी देखते हैं कि मतलब किसी ने बोला कि हम इस पे फिर ये देखेंगे टाइप ऑफ पीपल क्या है। टाइप ऑफ पीपल में दो प्रकार के लोग हो सकते हैं बेसिकली, रिच हो सकता है, रिच में और पुअर हो सकता है। तो रिच और इनके हम फर्दर सब डिवीजन कर सकते हैं कि रिच में भी कई प्रकार के लोग हो सकते हैं। उसमें रिच में जैसे उनका प्रोफेशनल डिपेंड कर जाता है कि कौन सा प्रोफेशनल, अगर वो बहुत रिच हैं तो प्रोफेशनल में अगर टीचर है तो ज्यादा लोग बोलते टीचर पढ़ा लिखा हुआ है तो वो बेसिकली उस पे उसकी क्वालिटी कोई दिक्कत नहीं हो तो क्वालिटी प्रोडक्ट ही खरीदता है। और फिर दूसरे पुअर पीपल भी रिच में भी एज डिपेंडेंट हो जाता है। मान लीजिए कि अगर उसकी एज ज्यादा, उसको ज्यादा की सामान की जरूरत नहीं तो ऐसे ही खरीद लेता है, तो क्वालिटी उनके लिए कोई इशू नहीं हो जाता है। फिर लिटरेसी पे डिपेंड करता है। लिटरेसी पे हमने देखा है बेसिकली यही कि लिटरेसी पे जो लोग पढ़े लिखे हुए हैं तो वो क्वालिटी के लिए मतलब कॉशियस होते हैं। जो पढ़े लिखे नहीं वो नॉर्मली नहीं होते क्योंकि उनको क्वालिटी के बारे में पता ही नहीं होता है। और दूसरा ये डिपेंड करता है कि लोग व्यक्ति बिलोंग कहाँ से करता है। कई बार अगर वो नॉर्मल फैमिली से या नॉर्मल सोसाइटी से बिलोंग करता है तो ना उसे क्वालिटी की चिंता नहीं रहती, लेकिन अगर वो हाई प्रोफाइल सोसाइटी में रहता है तो उसको क्वालिटी की काफी मतलब वो क्वालिटी कॉशियस रहता है। तो सर और बस सर इतना ही हम लोगों ने इन्हीं सारी पॉइंट्स पे हम लोगों ने ग्रुप में बात किया था।
Okay. Satyam.
Yes, sir. Okay, friends. So I take the opportunity to conclude the discussion. And although we had a good discussion, everyone was able to put their points. Everyone has put their inputs, and finally we got the conclusion that one single factor cannot be determining to the quality consciousness of Indians. Like there are many factors, and that is income group. So in India में basically rich and there are poor. दो type of persons mostly होते हैं, वो भी poor ज्यादा हैं। और इसके अलावा एजुकेशन भी एक फैक्टर है। इसके अलावा उन दोनों इनके एज ग्रुप भी एक फैक्टर है जिसमें यंगर पीपल आते हैं एंड ओल्डर पीपल आते हैं। सो एक फैक्टर कंप्लीटली एक चीज को नहीं बता सकता, ये हमने देखा। जैसे काफी लोगों ने एग्जांपल दिया, कोई बोलता है कि ठीक है हमारे यहाँ एक अमीर आदमी है, वो भी एमआई का फोन खरीद सकता है जो कि 10,000 का है, So he is not just about the quality concern. Basically वो अपनी यूजेबिलिटी के हिसाब से देखता है, उसका काम एमआई से भी हो जाता है। और गरीब के लिए ये ज्यादा मैटर करता है, बिकॉज पुअर पीपल हैव नॉट कैपेबल ऑफ गुड एंड क्वालिटी प्रोडक्ट, सो वो कंप्रोमाइज करते हैं और वो क्वालिटी पे ही कंप्रोमाइज करके सस्ती चीज ले लेते हैं। एंड एजुकेशन इज अ बिग फैक्टर, जहाँ जैसे थोड़े पढ़े लिखे लोग होते हैं, वो इस पे देखते हैं कि क्वालिटी कैसी होनी चाहिए, वो उनके हेल्थ पे, इन्वायरमेंट पे कैसा असर डालती हैं, वो थोड़ा उस बारे में सोचते हैं। बट लाइक इलिटरेट पीपल, जो उनको इतनी शिक्षा नहीं होती, जानकारी नहीं होती है, वो इस बारे में जल्दी नहीं सोचते हैं। तो उन लोगों में देखते हैं कि वो क्वालिटी कंसर्न्स इतने नहीं हैं। And yes, old age, this age group is also a matter of concern that लोग कहते हैं younger peoples के लिए होता टेंडेंसी ज्यादा होता है, हमको अच्छा और नया क्वालिटी प्रोडक्ट चाहिए, although it is costly, but okay हम 10,000 एक्स्ट्रा खर्च कर लेंगे। well like younger people के लिए खर्चे ज्यादा होते हैं, older people थोड़ा सेविंग होते हैं, उन पे थोड़ा क्वालिटी में कंप्रोमाइज हो जाता है समटाइम्स। इवन वो जानते हैं कि हम 20,000 में अच्छी क्वालिटी लेंगे, बट 10,000 में हमारा काम चल जाएगा।
Okay,
so
so
they are not very much concerned. Okay, so I conclude that in our group we had the points that there are many types of factors, and yes, there are Indians which are quality conscious, and yes, some of them are not having their other concerns.
Okay.
Thank you.
Chandrabhan.
So I would like to conclude this discussion on the behalf of the whole group. We had a fruitful discussion, and the points which have come across is that the quality consciousness of a general Indian depends on the various factors. It all depends on his background, and he is middle class, or he is from a rich family, or he is educated or not, or his purchasing power is good or not. So all these points boils down to the 2 points. One is the educational background, or second is his economical power. So if a person is educated and he is literate, so he will definitely see for the quality of a product, but he can compromise with the quality. And the second thing is, so the conclusion is that we can't generalize that all Indians are quality conscious or all Indians are not quality conscious. For example, the camera of an Apple phone is 12 megapixel. This camera is better than the 60 megapixel of Oppo phone. So a person buys Oppo phone, but he doesn't buy Apple phone. So it depends on his his economical power. So the conclusion of this discussion is that the quality consciousness of a general Indian is a generalized thing. So we can't specify that an Indian is quality conscious or not. Thank you, sir.
Okay, Shashikant.
We had a very good discussion on the topic: are Indians quality conscious or not? So we all put our points, and we concluded on the common points. So from our behalf of group, we concluded that the quality of our Indian quality conscious depends on the 2 perspectives. One side a consumer perspective, and other is on industry perspective. On side of consumer perspective, it depends on the 3 factors. One is literacy, and second one is geographically, and third one is economically. In literacy, those people who are literate, who most focus on quality, and those who are illiterate who don't focus on quality. And it is geographically, it is depends such as that for those people who live in such an area, there the most of the people, just like most people are living in Delhi, and some people live in village area. So village area people are not focused on quality. Delhi people focus on quality. And economically also depends. Economically, that those people who are rich, who maybe not focus sometime on quality, they just keep buying things. In middle class sometimes middle class focus on quality, and the lower middle class does not focus on quality. And if it's on the industry perspective have 2 things. On industry behalf of the most of the industry who focus on the profit, they just price down their price, and so that the majority of people come to and buy their products, so that in that case with their down their quality of products. And second, in industry, that if they increase quality, then the density of people decreases in that case. Thank you.
Okay. Now, Vinay.
Okay, so I would like to conclude the group discussion on behalf of all of us. I think we had a very fruitful discussion and all of us gave very good points. So according to me, according to all of us, there are various factors on which it depends or of if an Indian is quality conscious or not. First of all, being the income of every individual, I think it depends on person to person. If someone is having a very good salary, that then he will definitely not compromise with quality and he would go for a higher price product. Whereas if someone who is having some limitations or having some other problems, he would definitely, most of the Indians will definitely compromise for quality on behalf of the price of that product. Second thing there would be the literacy of a person. If someone, for example, one of our friends gave a very good example of the MI phone, where if someone is literate that there is a chance of your data breaching, then he would definitely not go for that product and go for a good quality product. Whereas if someone who is not literate about such things, he will definitely see it that you are getting a similar product in a lesser price, then they will definitely buy it. Other thing that we concluded that it depends on the sector in which we are discussing about. Like one of us gave the example of education, in which even if a middle class person is having some problem with their income, they will definitely try to give their children a very good education, with a good quality education. Whereas in other field, like for example, if someone is buying a cloth, then he can definitely compromise. He would definitely compromise from buying a 5,000 rupee shirt to a 1,000 rupee shirt, thinking that it's okay, we can definitely go for a lower price. Whereas in education field, they would not compromise with the quality. So so I would like to conclude by saying that I think most of the Indians are not focused on the quality of the products, and mainly they are driven by the economy of the product. Thank you.
Manoj.
I take the opportunity to conclude the discussion, and we have the very good discussion and many important points come out. And we all discuss about the four combinations of the people. The first combination that were people who are the illiterate poor, like the Delhi wages people, who are the 600 ways for Delhi, but they have know the food quality of food, but they can't purchase. They might be know the quality, but they can't purchase that. They didn't able. Second, who are the literature and the poor, like the poor student who the want to phone of the 8 GB RAM, but he purchased the 4 GB. They know quality, they quality conscious, but they can't buy the 8 GB RAM phone because due to their price. The third combination, who the in literature but rich, like the village Thakur. They are the very rich, but they are in literature. They don't know the, like the given example Srikant. They don't know the what is the specification of the Apple phone, but they buy only for the calling purpose. So they are not they purchase Apple phone, but they are not a quality conscious. The fourth combination, that is the literature and the rich. Definitely they are the may possible and the very high possibility they are the quality conscious. They know the what is the quality and the standard of the product. And the fifth and last one is the middle class. They are the quality conscious and they are the quality conscious, but sometimes they are able to buy and sometimes they are not. And the maximum youth of the middle class are the quality conscious. They know what is the specific of the every product. So I am the glad of the part of the discussion and the concluding the discussion.
Okay. Now, Sachin.
We have a very fruitful session of group discussion, and we concluded that Indian culture is a very diverse, and its basically depends upon two things, which is its purchasing power. That this section of the society has the ability to buy the high-end products or not. Basically, we can say that there are some poor people and there are some rich people. And in that poor people, there are some conscious people who always look for the high-end products, high-quality products. And some are unconscious people who usually compromise with the products unknowingly. And we have discussed that rich people usually have they are quality conscious and they usually buy the high-end products. And there are also some part of this section of the society where they have huge amount of money, but they keep this money with themselves and they do not buy the high-end products. At last, Indians I think that Indians are more centered towards the two things. First, that the product must be cheap, and second, it must have a good quality. This is what we have concluded.
Arvind.
Okay, okay, friends, we reach a very good discussion. Oh, yes, sir, I am audible.
Yes, yes.
Yes. Okay, friends. We reach a very good discussion. So according to group discussion, there are two type of people. One is rich people and second is poor people. So इसमें क्या है कि कहीं पर मतलब कई जगह पर जो हमारी क्वालिटी है वो परसेंट टू परसेंट वेरी करती है, कई जगह पर क्वालिटी हमारी परसेंट टू परसेंट वेरी नहीं भी करती है। जैसे अगर पहले तो हम ये देखते हैं कि हम किस प्रकार की क्वालिटी की बात कर रहे हैं। जैसे हम एजुकेशन से रिलेटेड बात करें तो मतलब इंडिया का कोई भी पर्सन हो वो हर कोई यही चाहेगा कि जो उसका चिल्ड्रन है, उसके जो भी बच्चे हैं वो अच्छे से अच्छे कॉलेज में पढ़ें। या फिर इसमें ये हो सकता है कि मतलब एरिया वाइज कॉलेज सकता है कि मतलब वो क्वालिटी में अच्छा हो, फिर इसके बाद सिटी में जाए तो वहां पर कॉलेजेस अच्छे हों। इसका पता हम क्या करते हैं, जो भी पेरेंट्स होते हैं क्वालिटी को ध्यान में रखते हुए उनसे जो पास आउट बैच होते हैं, उनके जो सीनियर्स होते हैं उनसे पता करते हैं। और यदि हम कोई सामान परचेज करते हैं तो वहां पर क्वालिटी वेरी करती है, जैसे मतलब रिच पीपल टू पुअर पीपल। उसमें जब हम कोई सामान परचेज करते हैं तो जैसे उसमें जो रिच पीपल होते हैं वो हमारे मेनली क्या करते हैं, मतलब इतना प्राइस पे ध्यान नहीं देते हैं, वो लोग क्वालिटी की बात करते हैं कि जैसे थोड़ा सामान महंगा भी होगा और अगर क्वालिटी उसमें है तो वो मतलब खरीद लेते हैं। इसके बाद हमारे वहीं पर कुछ मतलब जो पुअर पीपल होते हैं वो क्या करते हैं कि मतलब थोड़ा क्वालिटी के साथ कंप्रोमाइज कर लेते हैं, क्योंकि वो सोचते हैं कि हम मतलब हमें इस चीज को सिर्फ यूज करना है और इस हिसाब से वो मतलब प्राइस के लिए भी ध्यान में देते हैं। इसके बाद यदि हम फूड की बात करें तो फूड में हर कोई पर्सन मतलब क्वालिटी चाहता है, क्योंकि कोई भी ये नहीं चाहेगा कि ये मतलब फूड खा के कोई बीमार हो या कुछ भी हो। इसके बाद यदि हम लोग मतलब मेडिकल से रिलेटेड क्वालिटी की बात करें तो हर कोई पर्सन यही चाहेगा कि उसके लिए जो मेडिकल फैसिलिटीज हैं वो मतलब एक क्वालिटी की होनी चाहिए। जैसे वहाँ के जो हॉस्पिटल में मतलब जो भी ट्रीटमेंट हो रहा है, वहाँ की नर्सेस जो हैं और वहाँ का जो स्टाफ है वो किस तरीके की क्वालिटी प्रोवाइड कर रहा है किसी भी मतलब उस पेशेंट के लिए। और इसके बाद यदि हम किसी कंपनी की बात करते हैं तो वो अपना मतलब क्वालिटी प्रोडक्ट बढ़ाने के लिए मतलब कस्टमर से अपना फीडबैक लेती रहती है, जिससे कि उसे पता लगता रहता है कि मतलब हमारा जो प्रोडक्ट है वो अगर किसी कंपनी का फीडबैक मान लीजिए 80 to 90% आ रहा है तो वो इससे अपना अंदाजा लगा सकती है कि जो भी हमारे प्रोडक्ट है वो क्वालिटी बेस्ड प्रोडक्ट है। और इसी के साथ मतलब ये इंडिया में क्वालिटी मतलब वेरी करता है परसेंट टू परसेंट और कई जगह पे वेरी नहीं भी करता है। ओके, थैंक यू।
ओके, धीरज।
So I would like to conclude this group discussion on behalf of all my group members. So we had a very fruitful discussion, and we came to the conclusion that actually the Indian are quality conscious or not. So we can't generalize it. Like most of the of us, when we discussed, we had a different point. So it can be concluded that it always depend on the consciousness of the person who's going to purchase or who is going to buy the product. So this consciousness is influenced by the various factors which we discussed, like if it is reach or reach middle class or poor, or some it can be it also depend on the psychological factor, education factor, age group, or like his buying ability or not. So there are like different 5-7 categories we have discussed, or there are different combination possible. Like somebody is poor but he's educated, but or he's youth, so he will look for quality. So that's why we can conclude it like it's depend on the various 5-6 factor, and the 5-6 factor can have their combination, and for every combination of a person it will different that it is he will be quality conscious or not. So that's why we concluded that it cannot be generalized, it depend on person to person. So this is what we concluded. Thank you very much.
I think now everybody is concluded. Now let me first give you the ranks, and then who is in the green zone and red zone, and then I discuss about the topic for you. So see, Manoj, who I will give rank 1, and Manoj has participated good in the middle part. Rank 2 page, there are 2 candidates, that is Shrikant and Chandrabhan. They will be rank 2 together. Content of what they said and how they participated. Then Sunil and Shubham Saurav will be at number 3 together. Number 4 goes to Satyam and Shashikant, both of them. 5 is Vinay, and then I have not given ranks to Sachin, Arvind and Dheeraj. So Sachin, Arvind and Dheeraj have not participated much in the second part, middle part, and they are in the red zone. So along with the Sachin, Arvind, Dheeraj, even Vinay is in the red zone. Red zone means if you don't talk, if you don't speak, you may be excluded from this. And then others who are in green zone, some of them are at the border. You need to talk. Now, what is the main deficiency of entire group? I tell you, that is
सर
yes.
मेरे को अभी 8 बजे अटेंड करना स्नैप इंटरव्यू, तो मैं लीव कर सकता हूँ?
हाँ, you can leave Chandrabhan now.
Okay, sir.
So now what is happening is like you are to basically introduction वाला जो structure है ना, follow नहीं कर रहे हैं आप लोग. You are to follow the structure of introduction. In fact, कई लोगों ने जो conclusion में बोला वो introduction में बोलना चाहिए था. जैसे शुभम सौरभ ने जो conclusion दिया वो सारा introduction था. वो end में आप conclusion में बात कर रहे हो. इंट्रोडक्शन का एक स्ट्रक्चर होता है और आपको स्ट्रक्चर को फॉलो करना है. और जब बीच में बॉडी चलती है तो बॉडी में कंटेंट एनरिचमेंट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. डोंट शो इनर्शिया, स्पीक, कुछ ना कुछ बोलो. और आईयूसीएल में एक्चुअल में आपको बहुत कंफर्टेबल सिचुएशन मिलेगा, वहां पे आपको बोलना है. एंड कंक्लूजन हैज टू बी प्रिसाइज, और कंक्लूजन में अपनी बात नहीं बोलनी, बातों की भी बोलनी है. वो पार्ट भी एक सब में मिसिंग था कि आप कंक्लूजन में वही बात बोल रहे हो जो आपको अपनी बात आपने इंट्रोडक्शन में बोली थी. हिंदी इंग्लिश का कोई डिफरेंस नहीं है, तो अगर आप हिंदी में कंफर्टेबल है आप हिंदी में बोलिए, हिंदी और इंग्लिश दोनों में बोलिए. फ्लो मेंटेन कीजिए और बाकियों के साथ इंटरेक्टिव रहिए. दैट इज व्हाट इज टू बी डन. नो, जब भी ऐसा कोई टॉपिक मिलता है आपको, जैसे आर इंडियन क्वालिटी कॉन्शियस, तो जब ये क्वेश्चन मार्क आता है किसी इसमें, तो आपको उस स्टेटमेंट से एग्री, डिसएग्री, हाँ ना कुछ बोलना पड़ता है. दैट इज व्हाट यू हैव टू डू इन द इंट्रोडक्शन. सो द बेस्ट इंट्रोडक्शन व्हाट आई थिंक कैन बी डन इज दिस. Okay, good morning friends. The topic given for the discussion today is Are Indian Quality Conscious? So answer of this question is yes and no. We cannot generalize the statement. We cannot say yes, Indians are quality conscious, or we cannot say no, Indians are not quality conscious. It depends on many factors. There are many things which we have to consider before answering this question. So friends, let's divide this entire discussion into a couple of things. Number one, under what situation we are to analyze this entire question. We have to consider the economic background of India. We have to consider the ecosystem of India. We have to consider that India is a developing country. We have to consider this aspect from two aspects. This entire topic we have to discuss from two different perspectives. One, the producer or manufacturer who's producing a product or service, and then consumer or customer who is using that particular product. So we will discuss this entire topic from the perspective of producer and consumer. And also we will consider numerous factors on this. On the basis of this, we can basically analyze the quality. And before we go for detail for that, let me now define what quality is. So the quality actually of any product or service is not always related to its cost. It is what the customer wants. Maybe sometime a low cost product can be high quality product if it is meeting the requirement of the customer. For some customer, a cheap mobile may be high quality rather than a very costly mobile. So quality is somewhere related to cost but not directly proportional. It depends on many factors. So quality is what customer wants, and the producer or manufacturer is to consider those things. So now I open the house for discussion among all of you, and I am very sure you have a good points to contribute and we can have a good discussion. तो इंट्रोडक्शन में आपने जनरल डायरेक्शन देनी है. आपको बताना है अगर कोई क्वालिटी टर्म है तो डिफाइन कर दो उसको इंट्रोडक्शन में, हाँ या ना. डू यू एग्री विद द स्टेटमेंट और डिसएग्री विद द स्टेटमेंट? व्हाट डू यू वांट? सो इट इज जनरल स्टेट, इट कैन नॉट बी जनरलाइज्ड. Depends on many factors, as many of you said. There are many factors. Purchasing power. Now what are the factors? Indians जिस ecosystem में रहते हैं, purchasing power of common man. Some people have high purchase power, so they purchase the items or product which are high quality product. They don't compromise with the product. Like many of you quoted examples like Virat Kohli के example आपने दे दिया कि they go for those products which are high cost, high quality, good feature product because purchasing power. Some people don't have purchasing power. That also depends. Then awareness among people. Awareness होनी भी चाहिए product की, मेरे को लेना है. जैसे education है, health है, हमें उससे कंप्रोमाइज नहीं करना चाहिए। बोलते हैं एजुकेशन चीप ले लोगे तो इन्वेस्टमेंट ऑन एजुकेशन इज द गिव्स यू बेस्ट डिविडेंड इन योर लाइफ। आज आप एजुकेशन पे पैसा खर्चोगे, कल को आपको उसको बेस्ट डिविडेंड मिलेगा, वो आपकी बहुत अच्छी इन्वेस्टमेंट है। लोग इंडिया में मैरिजेस के ऊपर लाख खर्च देंगे लेकिन बच्चे की पढ़ाई के ऊपर खर्चा नहीं करेंगे, दैट मीन्स लैक ऑफ अवेयरनेस। सो दे आर नॉट अवेयर कि इसका बेनिफिट क्या हो सकता है। सिमिलरली हेल्थ के साथ कंप्रोमाइज नहीं कर सकते हम लोग। सो वो अवेयरनेस है लोगों के अंदर, वो भी लिटरेसी से रिलेटेड है, अवेयरनेस से रिलेटेड है, वो भी हमारे सोशल जो हमारा सिस्टम है उसके ऊपर डिपेंड करता है। तो इंडियंस का जो एक इकोनॉमिक बैकग्राउंड है, सोशल बैकग्राउंड है, नॉलेज बैकग्राउंड, उसके ऊपर ये सारे फैक्टर्स डिपेंड करेंगे। देन अगर हम इसको दो पार्ट में तोड़ें, प्रोड्यूसर एंड कस्टमर, जो मैन्युफैक्चरर और प्रोड्यूसर है वो वही प्रोडक्ट वैसे ही क्वालिटी का बनाएगा जैसा कस्टमर चाहेंगे, जो कस्टमर चाहेंगे। तो ये बेसिकली लिंक्ड है, दोनों चीजें लिंक्ड है। वी नो व्हेन चाइना इज द मैन्युफैक्चरिंग फैक्ट्री ऑफ द वर्ल्ड, चाइना जब कोई प्रोडक्ट इंडिया में देता है और अमेरिका में देता है तो उन दोनों की क्वालिटी और फीचर्स और कॉस्ट अलग होता है। China produces very cheap things for Indian because purchasing power of Indian is not that high and they don't want to purchase very costly thing. They bargain. That is what is there. But the same product when it is sold to European market and American, that is good quality, good features and high also because their quality. They don't want to compromise on those things which are important. Maybe because they are high awareness. But we Indian actually don't want to purchase very costly things. तो producer वो चीज बनाएगा। अब प्रोड्यूसर्स और मैन्युफैक्चरर्स जो इंडिया में है वो क्वालिटी कॉन्शियसनेस उनमें वैसी नहीं है जैसे जापान एंड अमेरिका में है। रीजन, देयर आर रीजंस। नंबर वन, कस्टमर डज नॉट वांट टू इन्वेस्ट ह्यूज मनी ऑन द प्रोडक्ट, so they will not produce high feature, high quality product. Number two, they will not do R&D before they make the product. R&D पे पैसा खर्चा नहीं करेंगे। इंडियन इंडस्ट्री जितनी वो R&D पे पैसा खर्चा नहीं करते हैं, वो प्लानिंग नहीं करेंगे बहुत ज्यादा एडवांस में, प्लानिंग पे पैसा नहीं खर्चेंगे। नंबर टू, वो क्वालिटी मटेरियल जो चूज करेंगे दे विल नॉट बी वेरी, बिकॉज अगेन कॉस्ट इज अ फैक्टर। ट्रेनिंग ऑफ द पीपल विल नॉट बी डन। मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट इज क्वालिटी तब आती है इफ यू हैव कस्टमर ओरिएंटेशन एंड सर्विस ओरिएंटेशन। लेकिन अगर आप में कस्टमर ओरिएंटेशन है ही नहीं कि मेरे को कस्टमर को खुश करना है, वो है ही नहीं, देन योर प्रोडक्ट विल नेवर बी क्वालिटी प्रोडक्ट। एंड लास्ट थिंग इज कंटिन्यूअस इंप्रूवमेंट विच इज कॉल्ड काइजन। जब आपने कोई प्रोडक्ट बनाया, अगर मैं सोचूंगा नहीं उसको इंप्रूव करने का तो क्वालिटी कभी नहीं आएगा। मैं जीडी कंडक्ट कर रहा हूँ, मेरे को देखना चाहिए कि मैंने जो आज से 3 महीने पहले जीडी किया जो अब कर रहा हूँ उसमें डिफरेंस होना चाहिए। आई कैन नॉट रन दिस एंटायर थिंग फॉर इयर्स टुगेदर सिमिलर वे, देन देयर इज अ इंप्रूवमेंट। इफ इंप्रूवमेंट इज नॉट देयर, माय प्रोडक्ट विल नेवर इंप्रूव। कंटिन्यूअस इंप्रूवमेंट नहीं होगा, आप प्लानिंग नहीं करोगे, आप कस्टमर ओरिएंटेशन नहीं रखोगे, R&D पे पैसा नहीं खर्चोगे, तो आपका प्रोडक्ट एंड सर्विस क्वालिटी प्रोडक्ट नहीं होगा। एंड कस्टमर के हिसाब से परचेजिंग पावर इज अ प्रॉब्लम, awareness is a problem, and what basically ecosystem he is working, these are the factors on which it depends. So conclusion है कि yes, there are Indians who are quality conscious because maybe their purchasing power allows them and their knowledge level allows them, but majority Indians, because of ignorance, because of illiteracy, because of poor purchasing power, they go for cheap products, and hence the manufacturer or the producer, they produce the low quality product that is there. That this is how we have to conclude it. अब मैंने जितनी बातें बताई इनमें से आपको बहुत से पॉइंट्स मिलेंगे और उन पॉइंट्स को आप जोड़ डाउन करके then you can participate in this discussion, right? I think then if you have any question to ask, I have 2 minutes left and then I go for GT next.
सर इंट्रोडक्शन और जो डिस्कशन होता है वो तो फ्रेंड्स के बीच में होता है ना सर, और कंक्लूजन मेंटर को डिस्कशन जो होता है बीच वाला पास, वो मतलब हमें आपस में करना, उसमें मेंटर को इंक्लूड नहीं करना, और कंक्लूजन में मेंटर को बोलना है। मतलब सर कंक्लूजन
किसी को नहीं बोलना, आपने जो कोऑर्डिनेटर है उसकी तरफ देखना भी नहीं है, आपने बोलना ओके आई टेक द अपॉर्चुनिटी टू कंक्लूड, आई टेक द अपॉर्चुनिटी टू इंट्रोड्यूस, ऐसे बोलना है। आपने किसी में
फ्रेंड्स के बीच में आना चाहिए,
आप आपस में ही डिस्कशन करना है, कोऑर्डिनेटर को आपने देखना ही नहीं है, उसको भूल जाओ, खुद ही डिस्कस करो बस, राइट
सर? फिर कंक्लूजन में भी हमें आपस में डिस्कशन करना है।
यस, कंक्लूजन आपने देना है, डिस्कशन नहीं करना है कंक्लूजन। इंट्रोडक्शन और कंक्लूजन में बोलना है आपने, इंट्रोडक्शन अपनी तरफ से, कंक्लूजन सारे ग्रुप की तरफ से, और डिस्कशन में एक दूसरे से बात करनी है।
और सर जीटी में जैसे हम लोग कंक्लूड करते हैं तो वो कोऑर्डिनेटर को देख के कंक्लूड करना है या आपस में
नहीं करना है? कोऑर्डिनेटर को बिल्कुल नहीं देखना, किसी भी स्टेज पे नहीं देखना।
ओके सर, मतलब जो 3 स्टेज है, इंट्रोडक्शन, डिस्कशन और कंक्लूजन, तीनों स्टेज में कोऑर्डिनेटर की तरफ देखना ही नहीं है।
देखने की रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं है कोऑर्डिनेटर की तरफ, राइट? चलो आई एंड इट अप हियर ओनली।
सर ये बताइए सर, ये टॉपिक है सर इंडियंस क्वालिटी कॉन्शियस, तो ये कस्टमर पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से है या प्रोड्यूसर से?
दोनों।
एक्चुअली सर आई थिंक प्रोड्यूसर से तो कस्टमर के बेस पे चलता है। कस्टमर अगर कॉन्शियस है, वो डिमांड करेगा तो प्रोड्यूसर करेगा। तो प्रोड्यूसर की कॉन्शियसनेस का कितना फैक्टर आता है सर? मेनली कस्टमर इज अवेयर अबाउट दिस, तो वो मांगेगा।
प्रोड्यूसर जैसे मेरे को एक बात बताओ, मैं प्रोड्यूसर हूँ, मैं आपको सर्विस दे रहा हूँ, आई एम गिविंग यू सर्विस। आपने मेरे को पैसा दे दिया, मैं आपको सर्विस दे रहा हूँ, मैं इस सर्विस को इम्प्रूव तो कर ही सकता हूँ ना। वो मेरे को कौन चीज रोक रही है सर्विस इम्प्रूव करने से?
सर डिमांड बेसिकली कस्टमर की
डिमांड नहीं, कस्टमर ओरिएंटेशन। मेरा कस्टमर ओरिएंटेशन होना चाहिए कि मैंने तुम्हें हैप्पी करना है, मैंने तुम्हें सेटिस्फाई करना, तुम्हारा काम होना चाहिए। जितना मैं मेहनत करूंगा उतना तुम्हारा काम अच्छा होगा। तो ये दोनों तरफ से होता है। ऐसा नहीं कि भाई साहब मेरे को ज्यादा पैसे तुम दोगे तब मैं तुम्हें अच्छा पढ़ाऊंगा, ऐसा नहीं होता। इट इज के जो भी आपने सर्विस मेरे आप मेरे कस्टमर हो, अब आई एम टू गिव यू बेस्ट सर्विस। और वो हमेशा कॉस्ट से रिलेटेड नहीं होती है, वो आपके एटीट्यूड से रिलेटेड है, पैसे से रिलेटेड नहीं है, वो एटीट्यूड से रिलेटेड है।
प्रोड्यूसर चाहता है कि अच्छा दें ताकि कस्टमर
प्रोड्यूसर शुड बी कस्टमर ओरिएंटेड, सर्विस ओरिएंटेड। और प्रोड्यूसर मींस एंटायर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन। जब आप किसी होटल में जाते हैं, जब आप किसी दुकान में जाते हैं, हाउ ही ट्रीट्स यू। जब आप देखो ना, एक गवर्नमेंट बैंक और प्राइवेट बैंक में क्या डिफरेंस है? डू यू थिंक गवर्नमेंट बैंक इज नॉट गेटिंग, पीपल आर नॉट गेटिंग सैलरी, दे आर गेटिंग मोर सैलरी देन प्राइवेट बैंक्स। तो क्या ट्रबल है वहां पे? दे आर गिविंग सर्विस बट पुअर सर्विस बिकॉज कस्टमर ओरिएंटेशन इज नॉट देयर। When you go to police station, when you go to government hospital, when you go to other government departments, what difference do you find? They are not customer oriented. We are their customers actually. They should give us service. And similarly, हम भी कई लोगों के लिए प्रोड्यूसर हैं, हमें भी कईयों को सर्विस देनी है, और हम एज अ कस्टमर भी हमें रिक्वायरमेंट, हमें डिमांड करना है। तो दोनों तरफ से आनी चाहिए डिमांड। जब एजुकेशन के लिए पैसा खर्चने को किसी को बोलते हैं तो लोग बोलते हैं नहीं एजुकेशन में पैसा नहीं खर्चना। मैंने बताया ना कि दे डोंट नो दैट। और जो एजुकेशन देने वाले हैं वो सर्विस नहीं देते हैं। तो ये दोनों तरफ से है। तभी तो इंडिया एज इकोनॉमी डेवलप करना बहुत जरूरी है। हम लोगों को इकोनॉमी मूव करने के लिए पैसा खर्चना पड़ता है, लेकिन इंडियन में पैसा वो आप मार्केट में उतारोगे नहीं, आप इन्वेस्ट कर लोगे, जोड़ के रख लोगे, मार्केट में नहीं उतारोगे। डेवलप्ड कंट्रीज डेवलप क्यों? क्योंकि वो पैसा सेव नहीं करते हैं, वो मार्केट में रखते हैं पैसा, इसलिए पैसा हमेशा सर्कुलेशन में आता है और इकोनॉमी चलती रहती है। दिस इज हाउ इट गोस। So if we want to make economy developed, so customer, manufacturer, everybody is to think of product and improvement of the product. ये जरूरी है। Understand that? This is how it goes. इंडिया में वही है ना, मैंने बताया चाइनीज गुड सस्ते हैं इसलिए तुम ले लेते हो। तो वो चीज क्या है? वो चाइनीज को अच्छा प्रोडक्ट मार्केट में उतारने के लिए रोकती है वो चीज। ये एक मेन ट्रबल है, राइट? दिस इज हाउ यू हैव टू थिंक। चलो, आई नीड टू एंड इट अप नाउ here. And you just listen to this and prepare this topic, right? Thank you.